Welcome to Thinkplus Education. So let's have a look at the practice test 2 solutions. So let's look at the question number 1. A and M can do a piece of work in 12 days. Mohan and B together can do it in 15 days. If A is twice as good man as B, in how much time will Mohan alone can do? This question is all about the working together. So that means it is given that A plus M takes 12 days time and M plus B takes 15 days time. If A is twice as good workman as a B, so if you give the connection here A is means by the time he does one part, he does two parts. This is efficiency. If this efficiency is 2:1, then the days ratio will be 1:2. That means if he takes K days time, he takes 2K days time. In how much time will Mohan alone can complete the work? So what I can do here is A, M together takes 12 days time. A alone takes K days time and M plus B is 15 days time, B alone is 15 days. So guys, simply from A plus M work, if I subtract A work, I'll get M's work. Okay. From M plus B work, if I subtract B work also, I'll get M work. So what I do simply, I know A plus B M work is 1/12 minus A work is I'll take 1/K, then which is equal to M. Here M plus B work is 1/15. Out of this B work is 1/2K. So this is M, this is also M, right? Now let's equate both. So 1/12 minus 1/K is equal to 1/15 minus 1/2K. Then this 2K comes to this side. 1/2K minus 1/K is equal to 1/15 minus 1/12. LCM is 60. This is 4 times and this is 5 times. Here 1/2K minus 2K means LCM is 2K. This is 1 minus 2. This is minus 1/2K is equal to minus 1/60. Minus minus cancel. K is equal to I got 30. So what is the question here is M alone can do the work in how many days? So M alone can do the work in M is nothing but 1/12 minus 1/K. K I got 30. So that means here I take here 1/12 is this minus 1/K is 1/30 will give you M. LCM is 60. 60, 12, 5 times, 60, 30, 2 times. So 3/60 answer is 1/20. 20 days of time he will take. So logic here is from A plus M I subtracted A, I get M. M plus B I subtracted B, I get M. Alright, this is one way. So let's also have a look at an alternative perspective on the same question. So A, M together can complete a work in 12 days and MB together can complete the work in 15 days. Let's take the 12 and 15. So 12 and 15 LCM is 60. Let's say that 60 units of work is there. The 60 units of work they are taking 12 days. That means every day they together do 5 units. And this is 15 days. Every day they together do 4 units. Okay. Now it is given that A is twice as good as B. So A's efficiency is twice as good as B. If he does every day P units, he can do 2 P units. This is efficiency. I know that AM together can do 5 units. MB together can do 5 units. Now from AM, if I subtract A units, that is 5 minus 2P, I get M units. On the other side also, from MB, if I subtract B units, that is P, I'll get M units. So A plus M minus A is equal to M. M plus B minus B is equal to M. So now this 2P goes to the other side, then P, 2P minus P, this comes, P is equal to 1. Every day, this guy do 1 unit and this guy do 2 units. Now, we know that A does daily 2 units. AM together daily do how many units? 5 units. Out of this, 2 units belongs to A. That means M do 3 units. If M do daily 3 units, total 60 units are there, M daily 3 units. That means how many days of time? 20 days of time. This way also you can answer this question. So you need to understand time and work a lot of questions about both the models. One is the units method, second is the fractions method. If you know both the methods, sometimes what happen, even one method if you're not able to get it, the second method you can apply, right? So 15 men could finish a work in 210 days, but at the end of the 100 days, 15 additional men are employed. So first let's understand the total men are 15 men can complete the work in 210 days. Now the same thing, after 100 days there's some change. So that means Same 15 men as there for 100 days. After 100 days, what happened? After 100 days, what happened? 15 additional men joined. That means this 15 men became 30. And how many more days will the work be completed? I don't know how many more days. Let's take that X. Okay. Usually 15 members are working for 210 days. The work gets completed. But 15 men are working for 100 days. After that, 15 more members joined. Plus 15 is joined. Then this will become 30 and work for X days. Now, don't multiply every time, guys. That's a biggest mistake. Can I cancel 15 here, 15 here, 15 here? Okay. Then this is 210 is equal to 100 plus 2x. Then 2x is equal to how much? 110. X is equal to how much? 55. So how many more days will the work get completed? Is 55 days. Okay. Let's see this. In a fort, there was sufficient food for 200 soldiers for 31 days. So there's a food for 31 days, 200 soldiers, and every person is eating 1 unit, and it is sufficient for 31 days. 200 into 1 into 31. After 27 days, so usually after 27 days, 120 soldiers left. That means 120 soldiers left. Till 27 days, 200 soldiers are there. After 27 days, out of this 200 soldiers, 120 soldiers left. That means how many soldiers are there? 80 soldiers. And for how many extra days will the rest of the food last for the remaining soldiers? How many extra days? Okay. So I don't know. This is one. Let's take this is X. So this is 200 into 31. This is 227. This comes to this side. Then 200 into 31 minus 200 into 27 is equal to 80 into X. So 31 minus 27, how much? 200 is common. Then 31 minus 4 is equal to 80 into X. 4 how many times? 20. 0, 0 cancel. X is equal to how much? 20 days. But here, if you look at the options, this is 0, 0 cancel and 2, 2 cancel. This is 80 into X. This is 204. 4 how many times? 20 times. And 20 how many times? This is 10 days. I'm sorry, my calculation mistake. So this is 0, 0 cancel, 4, 2 times, 2, 2 cancel, X I got how much? 10 days. But please understand the question here. In how many extra days will the rest of the food last for? Extra days last for the remaining soldiers. Extra days means usually how many days we have? 31. Here already it is 27 plus 10. Total 37 days it is actually last. But here 31. Don't keep the answer as 10. Answer is 6. Why it is 6? Usually it takes 31 days time. Now here 27, X I got 10, total 37 days. Usually it lasts for 31, now it lasts for 37. So that means the answer is what? 6 days is your answer. So let's look at the fourth question. ABC can do a work in 36 days. ABC together can complete a work in 36 days. A and B together do twice as much work as C alone can do. So AB together can do twice as much as C alone. So that means if C is doing 1 unit and these two people together do 2 units. And C together, C alone and AC together can do thrice as much work as B alone. AC together can do thrice as much work as B alone. If this is 1, this is 3. Guys, please understand. ABC together here will do 3 units. ABC together will do here 4 units. Now I want to get the common number. 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 1. Because here ABC is there, here ABC is there. This is 3, this is 4. Let's assume that 12 units of work is there. 12 units of work, if ABC is sharing in this ratio, then what happened? This will become 4 and this will become same sentence 4 and 8. The same 12 units I am distributing here. The same. Why am I taking 12? Because ABC together are taking. There is no change in the ratio. So ABC together again finishing 12 units. This time thrice. Thrice means if this is 3 parts, this is 9 parts. So 3 plus 9, 12. Based on this, I got the ABC values properly. So I know B value as 3 and C value as 4. And AB together is how much? 8. So AB together is 8 means this will become how much? So I got the individual number of units can be done. So find the time taken by the C to do the whole work. Let's assume that every day they are doing 12 units work. So because 5 plus 3 plus 4, 12 units. So total they are taking 36. Now the same work has to be done by whom? C alone. C daily do how many units here? 4. I don't know how many days of time C takes, X. Okay. So 36 days, every day 12 units. How do we say 12 units? 5 plus 3 plus 4. You can think that, so why are you taking 12? I'll take something else. You can take something else till you get the same answer. Okay. So even if you take the number, this number also will change. Proportionately, numbers will get cancelled. 4 how many times? 3 times. 3 into 36, what is your answer? 108 days is your answer. Alright. Pipe A and B are running together can fill cistern in 6 minutes. If B takes 5 minutes more than A to fill the cistern. So AB running together can fill it in 6 minutes. That means AB together takes 6 minutes time. And if B takes 5 minutes more than the A to fill the tank, B takes 5 minutes more, 4. So B takes 5 minutes more. If it takes X minutes time, it will take X plus 5 minutes time. Then the time in A and B will cistern separately will take time. So guys, A alone takes X minutes, B alone takes X plus 5 minutes, and together take 6 minutes. What I simply do is, you can write the equation like 1 by X plus 5 is equal to 1 by 6. Otherwise, what you can do is, the difference should be 5. The difference should be 5, and A should be less and B should be more, because who is taking more time here is B is taking more time. So this option got eliminated because here B should be more, here not, A is more. Here also B should be more, this is not. Here also this is possible or this is possible. Now I'll check only these two options, 1 by 15 plus 1 by 20. If it is giving 1 by 6, because 6, that's my answer. LCM is 60. 4 times and 3 times 7 by 60. This is not giving, so this is not my answer. I'll go ahead with this answer. So this is my answer. If you want, you can check 1 by 10 plus 1 by 15. The difference should be 5 minutes and B should be more. Is equal to LCM is 30. 3 times 2 times 5 by 30. I got 1 by 6. If you don't like this, the traditional approach is 1 by X plus 1 by X plus 5 is equal to 1 by 6. You can solve this. Right. In a fort, there was sufficient food for 200 soldiers for 31 days. After 27 days, 120 soldiers left. For how many extra days will the rest of the food last for the remaining soldiers? I think the same question has appeared in the previous one, but let me skip this question. In a company XYZ Limited, a certain number of engineers can develop a design for 40 days. If there were 5 more engineers, it could be finished 10 days less. So initially, let's say that K engineers are there, they will take 40 days time. Now if 5 more engineers, that means the number of engineers will become K plus 5. And it could be finished in 10 days less. 10 days less means it will take 30 days time, right? So usually it takes 40 days time, now it takes 30 days time. How many engineers were there in the beginning? Beginning, we have a number of engineers at K. We need to find out K here. 0, 0 cancel. 4K is equal to 3K plus 15. K is equal to how much I got? 15. Initially we have 15 number of engineers. So you should be very careful. Sometimes they ask you the not the initial, final number of engineers. That will become 20. A, M, S together can reap a field in 6 days. Okay. A plus M plus S can reap it in 6 days. A can do it in 10 days and M can do it in 24 days. In how many days will S alone be able to reap the field? Okay. Now, I know AMS, here also AMS. Let's take the LCM of 6, 10, 24. I'll take 120. So 120 units together they can finish every day. 6 into 20. They can do 20 units every day. He can do every day 12 units. He can do every day 5 units. He can do every day dash units. But this is equal to this plus this plus this. 12 plus 5, 17. This is 20. This every day S can do 3 units. So total we have 120 units. S can do daily 3. 120 by 3. That means S takes how much time? 40 days of time. Otherwise, this is the one method. Otherwise, you can take 1 by 6 is equal to 1 by 10 plus 1 by 24 plus 1 by X. You can finish the, you can get the value of X here. Two spinning machines A and B can together produce 3 lakh meters of cloth in 10 hours. Okay. So that means every 1 hour they can produce 30,000. If B alone can produce the same amount of cloth in 15 hours, that means AB together can produce in 1 hour 30,000 meters of cloth. And B alone can produce some 3 lakh by 15. 3 lakh by 15 means how much? 20,000. So B can produce 20,000 in 1 hour. Then obviously this will become how much? 10,000 in 1 hour, because this is equal to this plus this. Then how much cloth machine A produce 11 in 10 hours? In 1 hour it will produce 10,000. 10 hours means 10,000 into 10, 1 lakh. So 1 lakh meters it will produce. A very simple question. So A, B together can complete a piece of work in T days. A alone can complete the work in T plus 3 days, and B alone can complete the work in T plus 12 days. Then what is T? Guys, this question you can do it in 2 methods, but a simple method is if A, B together and A, B, if it is taking T plus 3, it is taking T plus 2, together they are taking T. This T value is nothing but root over the extra days, product of the extra days. Product of the extra days. 3 12 are how much? 36. T is equal to how much? 6 days. This is one method, shortcut. This is a derivation of the formula. Otherwise, you can take, together they take 1 by 12, and first person take 1 by T plus 3, second person take 1 by T plus 12. If you solve this, you will get the value of T. So let's solve it. 1 by T is equal to T plus 3 into T plus 12. And this comes here, then 2T plus 15. Here this comes here, then T square plus 3T plus 12T, 15T plus 36 is equal to 2T square plus 15T. 15T cancel. T square goes to the other side. T square is equal to, left with 36. T is equal to 6. 6 is your answer. Okay, that's it. Thank you.